Lots of rain coming down here today. Probably got about 5 inches or so here flowing around the outside of the house. I guess that's why I built up around the house, so that's good. It's going around the house like I want it to, and it goes out the front and out to the street. So it's working as it's supposed to, but that's good. But in the meantime, we got a lot of water out here in the lawn. I think the dolphins will be okay and the fish will be okay. And those look like elephants that can fly, so they should all be good. Always good to stand underneath a metal roof too when it's lightning out. So, got my, there's some more lightning. Got some new waterfront property.